welcome to another episode of the News on Map series. My name is Pooja. Let's start with the practice question that I gave you to solve in the last segment. The Nova Kakhovka Dam, which is seen in the news due to Russian-Ukraine war, is situated on which of the following rivers? So these are the kind of questions that you might come across because Russia-Ukraine war has made certain regions to come in the news for a very long time, since a very long time. So just go through the options: Rhine River, Dnieper, Dniester or Danube River. So let us look at the map first of all to know this. As you see that this is the Nova Kakhovka Dam and it is on the Dnieper River in the Kherson region. Okay, so that makes option Dnieper, that is option B, to be the correct one over here. There are many dams that are of utmost importance as they are being bombed either by Russia or Ukraine. So keep such regions into mind. Whenever you read such regions, about such regions, do go through the maps. Negotiations stall between Khartoum and Darfur militia in Libya. As we see that African regions are much more in the news because of any sort of military action, military coup, or disputed regions are also in the news, specifically with respect to dictatorship in these countries when they are transitioning from dictatorship to democracy. We see that such regions come in the news. Arrange the following features of Africa from north to south. Physical features here we are talking about: Drakensberg, Katanga Plateau, Adamawa Highlands, Darfur or Eastern Desert. These are the options that we have. These are the regions that we have to arrange from north to south. So these many options are given. First of all, let us look at the map. Eastern Desert, as you can see, it is between the river Nile and Red Sea. And among the given options, we see it in the northernmost region. Then comes the second one is the Darfur region. Okay. Then after that we have Adamawa Highlands or mountains as well. Then we have Katanga Plateau and last of all Drakensberg over here. Okay. So Eastern Desert, Darfur, Adamawa, Katanga and then Drakensberg. First we will have Eastern Desert. Okay. Only this option has 5 at the first one. So you see, because of this all other options get eliminated. So even if you know about one region from the options, you can easily answer this question. Then we have Darfur 5-4, Adamawa 3, then Katanga 2nd and then Drakensberg 1st. So option B becomes correct over here. Moving on to the next set of questions. An attack on a hotel in the center of the port city of Kismayo in southern Somalia killed 9 civilians on Sunday before security forces killed the gunman. Ibrahim Traore sworn in as Burkina Faso's interim president. About this news, we have covered it in our Around the World as well. So go through that. Moving ahead, let us look at the question. We have to consider the pairs. We have to match the cities that are in the news with the location. And the location is not a country over here. Specifically, it is the region of Africa. So Ouagadougou, West Africa, Kampala, Central Africa, Kismayo, East Africa. So for this, for you to answer this correctly, you should know which countries have these cities in them. How many pairs given above is or are correctly matched? This was the recent pattern of the prelims paper. We saw that 1, 2, 2 and 3, this wasn't being asked. Apart from this, of course, 1 to 2 questions were there. But more and so we saw 1 pair, only 2 pair, pairing answers were, pairing options were given. So for these kind of questions, you have to know at least all of them. That what I could reckon. Moving ahead, let us talk about Ouagadougou first. Ouagadougou is the capital of Burkina Faso and Burkina Faso is in West Africa. Okay, then comes Kampala, which is the capital of Uganda and it is in East Africa. Okay, Uganda is a part of East Africa. Then comes Kismayo. Kismayo is in Somalia. As you can see, it is a coastal city. So Kismayo is in Eastern Africa and Uganda is also in Kampala in Eastern Africa. And then Ouagadougou in West Africa. So only Ouagadougou first and Kismayo is correct. Kampala is in Eastern Africa, not Central Africa. So 1 and 3 is correct. So 2 pairs only will be the correct answer. Option B is correct over here. Moving ahead to the next set of questions. Next set of question goes like Myanmar warns ASEAN that pressure would be counterproductive. This pressure is with respect to violence that is enraging in Myanmar, causing an issue both to Bangladesh and China, of course, apart from India. India is getting the migrant crisis, which we have covered in our in-news segment. Consider the following statements. All the ASEAN countries have a coastline. India shares a border with only one ASEAN country and China shares a border with only 2 ASEAN countries. We have to select the not correct statement. Now let us look at the map of ASEAN. ASEAN is a group of regional grouping basically consisting of Brunei, Myanmar, okay, Myanmar from here we can see Myanmar is here, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, then Malaysia, Singapore, Brunei, Philippines and Indonesia as well. Okay, so Brunei, Myanmar, Cambodia, Philippines, Indonesia, Singapore, Laos, Thailand, Malaysia and Vietnam. So if we see these many countries, and the first statement was all of them have a coastline. Almost all of them have a coastline, but Laos does not. Okay, so one country doesn't have a coastline. So first statement becomes incorrect. India shares a border with only one ASEAN country, which is correct, because here in Southeast Asia, India only has a border with Myanmar as an ASEAN country. So second statement is correct. Third is China shares a border with only two ASEAN countries. Let us see, China shares a border with Myanmar, Laos and Vietnam. So second statement is correct, first statement is not correct, and also the third statement is not correct. How many are not correct? Two statements only will be the correct answer over here. Moving ahead to the next set of questions, let us look at this news. As the US and Turkey pull further apart, Cyprus is becoming an area of increasingly intense competition between them. Cyprus is an island in the Mediterranean Sea, specifically in the Eastern Mediterranean Sea, and with respect to Cyprus, consider the following statements. It lies to the east of Israel and the north of Jordan. Its capital, Nicosia, is a coastal capital. We have to select the correct one. Okay. So first statement is like, it lies to the east of Israel. What did it ask? Yes, east of Israel and north of Jordan. Although we can see, yes, it is north of Jordan, northwest specifically, but it does not lie east of Israel. It lies to the north of Israel, more so northwest. Okay. So first statement is not correct. Second is Nicosia. Nicosia as a capital is not a coastal one, but a central one. Coastline it does not have. So second statement is not correct. First statement is also not correct. Okay. So the correct answer would be neither one nor two. Option D. Moving ahead to the next set of questions, let us look at this news first. Iraqi lawmakers approved a new cabinet after a year-long crisis which was triggered by contested elections. Moving ahead, let us look at this question. Which of the following pairs of countries do not share a border with Iraq? Armenia and Azerbaijan, Jordan and Kuwait, Syria and Turkey, Iran and Saudi Arabia. Let us look at it then. So Iraq shares a border with Iran, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Syria, Turkey. Okay. But you see Armenia and Azerbaijan, it does not have a border with them. So the correct answer will be option A. Okay. Like these kind of questions could also come. Looks very easy, but seldom. Only those students will be able to do it who have seen the map properly. North Korea fires 2 ballistic missiles towards Sea of Japan. So the next question will revolve around Sea of Japan. Consider the following statements. With respect to the Sea of Japan, it is bounded by 4 countries only. It is connected with the East China Sea via the Tsushima and the Korea Strait. Okay. And then it is connected with the Okhotsk Sea by the La Perouse and Tata Straits. Let us look at this question. How many statements given above is or are correct? So as we look at the map of Sea of Japan, we can see that Japan, Russia, North Korea and South Korea. 4 countries are there which are binding the Sea of Japan. Okay, so first statement is correct. As we saw, it was 4, right? Yes. Then it is connected with the East China Sea via the Tsushima and Korea Strait. So as we see, the East China Sea is to the south of it. It is connected with the help of Korea Strait and also the Tsushima Strait. Sorry, it's not shown in the map, but it is there. Okay, and from the Sea of Okhotsk, it is connected by the La Perouse Strait and the Tata Strait as well. So first statement is correct, second is also correct, and third is also correct. So as we see, all are correct. All 3 statements will be the correct answer over here. Moving ahead to the next set of questions. This type of climate is entirely confined to the western portion of the continental masses between 30° and 45° north and south of the equator. The basic cause of this type of climate is the shifting of the wind belts. The best developed form of this climatic type is found in central Chile. The rain comes in heavy showers and only on few days and bright sunny periods between them. We are talking about which type of climate over here? As 2 to 3 things you have to keep in mind. Latitudes, where they are developed, that is western areas of the continent, and also the wind belts. Okay, and then it is predominantly, as we see, most richly found in central Chile. We are talking about the Mediterranean type of climate, which is of course lying in the coastline countries of Mediterranean Sea. Apart from that, also in the western margins of Australia and southern over here, then in Chile as well, most predominantly South America. Even in North America, we will find them nearby USA and Mexico. Okay, so the correct answer will be option B, that is Mediterranean type of climate. Moving ahead to the next set of questions, at least 26 have been injured in magnitude 6.4 earthquake in the Philippines. So from that we have a question. Consider the following statements. The Sulu Sea lies to the east. Lies to the east of Palawan Island of Indonesia. The Celebes Sea lies to the south of Malaysia but to the west of the Philippines. We have to select the correct one. So Sulu Sea lies to the, here lies the Sulu Sea, it lies to the east of the Palawan Island of the Philippines, not Indonesia. First statement is incorrect. Second one was the Celebes Sea lies to the south of Malaysia and to the west of Philippines. That is also not correct because it lies to the east of Malaysia. So first and second, both statements are not correct. Option D will be the correct answer, neither one nor two. Moving ahead to the next set of questions. India rocket puts 36 internet satellites into orbit, and that was with the help of where we launched it from. It's from the Sriharikota Island, which is a part of Andhra Pradesh. So we have to say in which region of Andhra Pradesh it is situated. Northeast, south or west. Here lies Sriharikota. Okay, and it is, as we see, it is in the from the very correct definite options that have been given. South is the correct answer over here. Okay, more so probably we can see it south, east. So the correct answer will be south. Okay, because we do not have other options like northeast, northwest like that. Moving ahead to the next set of questions. The violent chaos in Myanmar, a rapidly escalating crisis on India's doorstep. Moving ahead, consider the following statements. Myanmar shares its borders with India through 4 Indian states only. There are 5 northeastern states in India which have only one international border. So let us see which one of them is or are correct. Myanmar shares a border with India through Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram. So first statement is correct. Then comes the second statement. Only 5 states of northeast in India have one international border. Let's see if they are correct or not. There are 7 northeastern states: Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur and Nagaland. Okay. From this we can surely say that Assam shares a border with 2. We can say 2 international borders. First is with Bhutan, then we have with Bangladesh. Okay. So Assam is not going to be one of our answers. Then we have Arunachal Pradesh with China and with Myanmar. So this is also out of the picture. Now we have Mizoram. Mizoram shares its borders with Bangladesh and Myanmar. So this is also not correct. Meghalaya has only one border with respect to Bangladesh. So does Tripura. Okay, so 1, 2. Then Manipur has a border with Mizoram and also Nagaland. So 4 states are there which have only one international border. So first statement is correct, second is not correct. Option A, 1 only will be the correct answer over here. So these are the kind of questions. Be very careful about the northeast map of India. From west to east, arrange the following wetlands of India: Deepor Bill, Sarsai Nawar Jheel, Keetham Lake, Kanwar Tal and Khijadia Wildlife Sanctuary. Let us move ahead and look at the map. First, if we move from west to east, we have Khijadia first. Okay, then we have Keetham. That is Sur Sarovar Lake only. Keetham. After Khijadia we have Keetham. Then we have, I think it was Sarsai Nawar. Let's see, yes, Sarsai Nawar. So first of all, let us also write 5. Khijadia first, then Keetham second. 5, 3. So these 2 options have 5 and 3. Eliminate the other. Okay, then we have Sarsai Nawar. I guess. Let us see. Yes, then we have Sarsai Nawar over here. Alright. Then we have Kanwar Tal and finally we have Deepor Bill. Okay, so first of course Khijadia, then Keetham, then Sarsai Nawar Jheel, then we have Kanwar Tal 4 and then we have Deepor Bill. 5, 3, 2, 4, 1 is the correct answer. 5, 3, 2, 4, 1. is the correct answer. That is option B. Alright, moving ahead to the next questions. 6 months after being forced from office, Imran Khan is leading a protest from Lahore to Islamabad to demand early elections. So this is the question that we have from this particular news. If one draws a straight line vertically from Islamabad to the Indian Ocean and a straight line horizontally from Gwadar to Bangladesh, which of the following pairs of cities will approximately lie on the drawn lines? Kota and Ahmedabad, Varanasi and Ahmedabad, then Nagpur and Kota, Surat and Varanasi. Let us see. So this is the map that we have. From Islamabad, we have drawn a straight line to Indian Ocean region, Arabian Sea particularly. There are many cities that will lie approximately on this line, Jodhpur being first, then we have not Ahmedabad is not there, Vadodara is also there, Surat and Mumbai are also there. So Jodhpur, Surat and Mumbai. Jodhpur is not there, Surat is there, Mumbai is not there. So this can be one of our correct answers. Then another line drawn from Gwadar horizontally. From Gwadar, if we draw a line to Bangladesh, there are many cities that will lie here as well. Kota being there, Varanasi being there. So Kota and Varanasi, as we see, let us see. Kota is here, Varanasi is here and here. So by elimination and also matching, we can feel that option D is going to be the correct answer. So these are the kind of questions you might come across. Which one of the following countries of Southwest Asia does not open out in the Mediterranean Sea? This is a UPSC prelims question. Syria, Jordan, Lebanon, Israel. Doesn't open out. That means doesn't have a coastline. So this is the Mediterranean Sea. Okay. This is Lebanon. Okay. It opens in the Mediterranean Sea. So does Syria. Then we have Israel as well. But Jordan does not open out in the Mediterranean Sea. So Jordan is going to be the correct answer here. Option B. Okay. Jordan is the correct answer. Moving on to our last question. That is the practice question for your next segment. A small area called the Paris Basin is used to refer to the southernmost tip of which among the following countries? Germany, France, Netherlands, Belgium. Okay. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching and stay updated.